quick video can make you some bank. Let's go ahead and get into it. Check us out at traderswarroom.com. Real quick, some check on alerts, just so you know we're not all talk. We actually do what we say we're gonna do and we make that money, guys. Here's 2 alerts that we closed out today for profit. On SPY, we went ahead and went puts, and SPY did exactly what we thought we were gonna do. Made money on the put side of the house, and then we're gonna play the call side of it and watch the run up and go back and forth making money. And again, where SPY goes, Apple will go, and so will QCOM. We went ahead and closed out today as well. Made money, guys. Those are 4 trades that we swung over the weekend, so I don't want to hear anything about, I don't want to get the pattern day trade thing. Man, we got you covered at traderswarroom.com. We give you all sorts of styles that everybody can make some money. All right, kicking it off, let's go ahead and talk about SPY. Closed like we thought it was going to the downside. We do think that we're going to get a little bit of a push at the bell to the upside. That's why we went ahead and went in with some swing calls. We're looking to sell for profit and then see what SPY does remaining of the trading day, and then we'll play off of momentum. Utility sector closed pretty strong today. I do like where this chart is at. This is the ETF for utilities. I'm liking where we're going for a push to the upside, at least test that recent high before we start to see some resistance and probably an eventual pullback. Tesla doing what Tesla does. Definitely had a down day today, but guys, if you notice this chart, we're kind of trading in a consolidation pattern. Now I know Tesla moves violently, $15 to $25 usually in a trading session, but for Tesla, that's a consolidation range. So we definitely got defined resistance up at the top, and we got defined support at the bottom. So I expect us to probably trade within that range for a while until we get the push to either break to the upside or break to the downside. Paying attention to Amazon, I do think we got a little bit more downside on Amazon to come test those recent support levels at the bottom, and then we'll see the push going back up. Amazon too is kind of trading in a range, a particular range, and you can kind of follow the pattern. This is a fantastic stock to go ahead and trade off of momentum, so definitely keep this on your radar. Apple killer trade that we had today. We went ahead with those puts. Apple did what we thought it was going to, came back down. I do like Apple for a little bit, probably a little bit more to the downside, but then Apple is Apple strong, guys. People love them some Apple, so I do think that we continue to go back up to that top level near-term resistance point, and we'll probably break through to the upside at least for a little bit before we see some rejection. AMD, I like AMD where it's at right now. We got a little bit of downside pressure coming in, but AMD doesn't like to stay down very long. I think that we'll probably fluctuate and at least jump to go test those recent highs before we see that rejection kick in from the resistance and then come back down for a cool down. This is interesting. This is trending again, and we kind of got this bottom level coming from this M pattern. I do think this got a little bit of momentum on its side, so I would not be surprised if we hit this rejection down here at the support level and we pop to the upside. Guys, I'm loving me some IBM. If you're not paying attention to IBM, you need to. Okay, this is the #1 choice for that CHIP Act that's trying to get passed with the semiconductors. They are all set, ready to go as soon as that act is passed. And if it's favorable on them, expect this thing to go ahead and break to the outside. AMAT definitely was trending really hard today, had a lot of volume. I think we got a little bit more downside in AMAT, so I'm looking for puts on this one if the volume keeps with. And Devon Energy, utility sector was booming. Okay, Devon Energy is one of my favorite energy utilities type of trades at this level down here. This is definitely buy zone, so keep your eye on Devon Energy. I would not be surprised if this pushes to the upside and goes to test that recent high peak right there, and then probably find that rejection from the resistance up there, at least a little fluctuation. But keep your eye on Devon Energy, and this is also a good one to go ahead and buy shares, dollar cost average, and just go out on a long position, in my opinion. Guys, quit wasting money that isn't making money. If you want those real-time buy and sell alerts, or you just want to go trade with the bulls, come to Traders War Room. Check us out, traderswarroom.com. Find out all the information on products and services, and come get some.